Adjusting timed elements. Many online assessments or even activities like formative assessments include the option for teachers to include a timed aspect to that. For example, how long do students have to answer each question, or how long do they have to complete the entire assessment? One of the things that we should look for is the ability for the teachers, when creating the activity, to choose to set a time limit or not if they would like, and then the ability to assign timed aspects to individual students so that those who have the accommodation of extended time can have a greater time limit set for that. So in this case, this LMS includes the option to set a time limit and assign to different groups of students based on their time requirements in an IEP or 504. And then also in this Nearpod activity, we have the ability to set the time for individual questions for how long they will be displayed on the screen before the activity moves on to the next question.